Hi, I'm Dark Cut Buddy Bro, and today, I'm going to destroy Brooklyn Barbie's table with a bowling ball inside Juniper Grill. Ha 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 ha. Alright, let's head inside.
Oh boy, I can't wait to eat my food here in Juniper Grill. It's going to be so delicious.
Yes, I destroyed Brooklyn Barbie's table with a bowling ball. Yes, I destroyed Brooklyn Barbie's table with a bowling ball. Yes, I destroyed Brooklyn Barbie's table with a bowling ball.
Oh my god, Dark Cat Buddy Bro, you idiot. I can't believe you destroyed my table with a bowling ball just as I was about to eat my food here in Juniper Grill. You know that this table costs $200,000, and now it's gonna cost a lot of money to get this table fixed thanks to you.
Hey! Guys, what's going on here? I heard a very loud crash while I was working in Juniper Grill.
Well Gary, I was about to eat my food here in Juniper Grill, but then, Dark Cat Buddy Bro destroyed my table with a bowling ball.
Dark Cat Buddy Bro, what the was that? I can't believe you destroyed Brooklyn Barbie's table with a bowling ball here in Juniper Grill. You know that this table costs $200,000. Plus, we only use bowling balls to go bowling, not to destroy things. Now we have to pay a lot of money to fix the table. Thanks to you destroying it, that's it. You're now kicked out of this Juniper Grill location for the rest of December, and I will call your parents about this. Go home now.
No 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 no.
So that's what happened. Oh my god. Thanks for telling us. We are going to deal with our son right now. Goodbye. Dark Cat Buddy Bro, we can't believe you destroyed Brooklyn Barbie's table with a bowling ball at Juniper Grill. You know that the table costs $200,000.
And besides, we only use bowling balls to go bowling, not to destroy things. Now thanks to you, we have to pay the money back to Juniper Grill so that they can fix the table.
That's it, young man. You're grounded for the rest of December. Head upstairs to your room, right now.
Yes, y'all. Sorry, y'all.